Seeds of Wisdom RV and Economic Updates Thursday afternoon, April 24, 25. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Good afternoon. Dinar recaps. CME Group to launch XRP futures in MAY. Top derivatives firm, CME Group, is set to launch XRP futures in May, offering more options for traders in the digital asset market. Black Small Square Derivatives Marketplace CME Group will launch XRP futures on May 19, pending regulatory approval. Contracts are available in two sizes, cash settled with a daily reference rate. Other firms like ProShares filed for 3 XRP futures ETFs with the US SEC. Global leading derivatives marketplace CME Group has confirmed adding XRP futures to its list of cryptocurrency derivatives products. The launch is planned for May 19, pending the green light from regulators. This recent development is part of the firm's continued effort to meet growing demand from investors looking for alternatives in the digital asset market. Details on the new XRP futures contracts. According to CME Group, the XRP futures will be available in two contract sizes. As detailed, one will cover 2,500 XRP while the other will be much larger, representing 50,000 XRP. It is worth mentioning that both contracts will be cash settled. Pricing will be based on the CME CFXRP dollar reference rate, a daily benchmark calculated at 4 p.m. London time. This rate reflects the value of XRP in US dollars and is used to provide a consistent and fair settlement process. This addition will expand CME Group's existing digital asset offerings. The CME Group exchange currently provides futures and options for the most prominent cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. It also expanded its crypto offerings with the launch of Solana, SOL, futures. With XRP now added to the lineup, CME is ready to provide traders with a broader range of tools to manage their exposure to digital assets. Since entering the digital asset ecosystem, the exchange has recorded a consistent increase in interest in its crypto products. In the first quarter of 2025, the average daily volume for crypto futures was 198,000 contracts. This represents a notional value of $11.3 billion, showing strong year-over-year growth. Open interest also grew to an average of 251,000 contracts, equal to $21.8 billion in notional value. SOL futures, which began trading in mid-March, recorded more than 43,000 contracts traded, with a total notional value of $705 million. Rising demand for regulated XRP offerings. CME Group's decision to offer XRP futures reveals the increasing role of regulated financial instruments in digital asset trading. Based on market sentiment, as more investors seek alternatives for BTC and ETH, exchanges respond by introducing products linked to other tokens. XRP, the cryptocurrency associated with Ripple Labs, has gained attention for its practical use in financial transactions. Its speed and low cost have made it popular among everyday users and institutional investors. With XRP's inclusion, CME Group is widening access to futures trading in an evolving space. This also signals that traditional financial institutions are paying closer attention to how digital assets can fit into mainstream portfolios. In addition to CME Group's announcement of launching XRP futures, the digital asset has made headlines lately following the conclusion of the Ripple vs. SEC case. The settlement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has arguably renewed confidence in XRP's position, paving the way for increased institutional interest. CoinSpeaker noted earlier that ProShares has joined the race for the XRP ETF. In a recent SEC filing, the firm revealed plans to launch 3 XRP futures-based ETFs. This move signals growing competition and a more competitive investment appetite in the XRP space. BRICS. China officially launches plan to promote its own payment system. BRICS member China officially rolled out a plan to promote its own payment system to replace SWIFT. The communist country aims to reduce US dollar dependency to confront Washington's aggressive stance on trade and tariffs. The new plan was jointly released by the Shanghai Municipal Government and the People's Bank of China, the country's central bank. The new payment system from BRICS member China will incorporate the Chinese yuan through the Cross-Border Interbank Payment System, CIPS. China wants to leverage its dominance in the manufacturing and trade sector and push the Chinese yuan for settlements. BRICS. China will take on SWIFT through CIPS payment system. The BRICS country China revealed that it will enhance the functionality of CIPS and challenge the Western-dominated SWIFT payment system, promote the use of the renminbi in Belt and Road partner countries, and build a trade and investment service system based in Shanghai to facilitate the global circulation and use of the renminbi, the plan stated. The plan also states that the Xi Jinping administration will strengthen financial support to Chinese enterprises, going global, enabling all types of market players to engage in international competition and cooperation in a safer, more convenient and efficient manner, read the report. China will also allow other BRICS members to settle cross-border transactions without the US dollar in the new payment system. Beijing is looking to internationalize the Chinese yuan and make it a common currency for trade among developing nations. Settling cross-border transactions in the new payment system will not only strengthen the Chinese economy but also uplift the BRICS alliance. The development could cause harm to the US dollar as more countries will stop using it as a form of payment for trade. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: dinarrecaps.com